you know, again, this has been hard to predict. Other witnesses that I thought were wrapping up would stay for several hours, and so I guess, you know, we'll see here, but I imagine he'll be up there for a bit yet today.
And Rob, give us a sense here. We're 4 weeks into this trial now. Is it starting to wrap up? Are we getting down to the end of the witness list here?
I believe we are. Now, we do not get a witness list in this trial, so we don't know who may be left. But Earl Gray, I mean, this is the last of the 3 defendants to be able to, you know, the defense attorneys to call witnesses, you know, as they go in order. Earl Gray called an expert witness on Thursday afternoon, and that was a retired Minneapolis police sergeant testifying about power dynamic. And then before Thomas Lane took the stand today, just called up a few character witnesses, somebody that Thomas Lane worked with in the juvenile program, and another Minneapolis police sergeant that he worked with doing bar security, who kind of helped get him into Minneapolis police. And then Thomas Lane's wife took the stand too, all very briefly. And so I don't know if Earl Gray would have any further witnesses after his defendant testifies. I would say probably not, but there always could be. So we would be getting to the end regardless here. I know that the plan for closing arguments, the opening is called a statement, the closing is called an argument. You argue your case based on the evidence presented. That is planned to be essentially an entire day. He took kind of a reading from the attorneys how long each would take, and that added up to essentially 1 day for closing arguments from all the attorneys. So I know that they want to start that fresh in a morning if possible to contain in 1 day. That possibly could be tomorrow, but it's you know, again, we're trying to get a temperature here as we go.
Yeah, kind of see how many more witnesses we may have in the stand yet today. All right, court getting back in session at 2 o'clock. Rob, thanks so much. We will